What is management process? Features and functions? Management process refers to the series of activities and tasks that are carried out by individuals within an organization to achieve the goals and objectives set by the company. Definition of management process. The management process can be defined as a systematic approach to directing and controlling the activities of an organization to achieve desired results. Stages of management process. Leading. Leading involves motivating and inspiring employees, providing guidance and direction, and fostering a positive work environment to achieve goals. Controlling. Controlling involves monitoring performance, comparing it to set standards, and taking corrective actions as needed to ensure that goals are met. Key functions of management process. Planning. Planning involves setting objectives, determining strategies, and developing action plans to achieve organizational goals. Organizing. Organizing involves establishing a structure, defining roles, and allocating resources to ensure effective implementation of plans. Importance of the management process. Leadership. Effective leadership is crucial for the success of any organization, and the management process plays a key role in developing and nurturing leaders. Communication. Proper communication is vital for organizational success, and the management process helps facilitate effective communication among team members. Conclusion. In conclusion, the management process is a fundamental aspect of organizational success, as it involves planning, organizing, controlling, leading, decision-making, coordination, and evaluation of resources to ensure efficiency and effectiveness.